Diamonds are one of the most precious stones in the world, but before they are cut and polished, they appear as rough, natural crystals that can be easily confused with other minerals like quartz or glass. If you ever come across a rough stone and wonder whether it is a real diamond or just a fake, there are a few simple tests you can try at home without professional equipment. 1. The transparency test. Place your rough stone on a newspaper or a printed paper. If you can clearly read the letters through the stone, it is most likely not a diamond. Real diamonds scatter light strongly and make it very hard to see words clearly. 2. The water test. Take a glass of water and drop the stone inside. Diamonds are very dense and will sink straight to the bottom. Fake stones or quartz may float or sink slowly. 3. The fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone as if you are fogging up a mirror. A real diamond will disperse the heat instantly, and the fog will disappear almost immediately. A fake diamond will stay fogged up for a few seconds longer. 4. Hardness test, scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Use your stone to scratch a piece of glass or quartz. If it scratches easily, it could be a diamond. Be careful, this method is not 100% safe, as some fake stones like moissanite can also scratch glass. 5. Shine and sparkle. Hold the stone under a bright light. Real rough diamonds have a subtle metallic shine and often appear greasy or oily on the surface. Fake stones look too glassy or overly transparent. 6. Shape and edges. Rough diamonds usually appear in an octahedral, pyramid-like shape with sharp edges. Fake stones or quartz may have rounded, smoother edges. Final note. These home methods can help you identify whether your stone might be a real diamond or not, but they're not 100% conclusive. Some synthetic stones, like moissanite, can pass many of these tests. For absolute certainty, you should consult a gemologist or use professional testing tools. In summary, a real rough diamond will sink in water, fog will disappear quickly, it will scratch glass, and it will not let light pass through easily. Fake stones usually fail at least one of these tests.